Okay, so today we will start on the normal chapter. Okay, tabuhan normal. Okay, guys, first of all, you must know this is your normal graph lah, of course. Okay, ini adalah graph tabuhan normal kamu. Okay, so apa bentuk ni guys? Siapa tahu? What is the name of the shape of this kind of graph? Anyone?
Bell shape.
Very good. Okay, dalam BM bentuk loceng. Okay, bell shape curve. Very good. Okay, and then a few basic lah, sedikit basic yang kamu kena tahu. Kalau saya tanya, saya guna yang merah. Okay, kalau saya tanya, kebarangkalian kawasan ni berapa? What is the probability for my red color region? Anyone? What is my value?
0.5.
Very good. Bagus. Maksudnya basic kamu adalah. So yang ni adalah 0.5 juga. Okay, total probability berapa guys? Normal?
1.
Jumlah? Yes. Always remember it's 1. No matter how the graph look like. Macam mana graph tu terletak di atas paksi X atau paksi Y, kebarangkalian jumlah dia mesti kena 1. Okay, it must be 1. Okay. Okay, so now guys, you can see you have two area, right? This area and this area. Can I ask you, the probability for both area over here, is it different or same? Adakah kebarangkalian untuk dua-dua luas ni berbeza atau sama yang berlorek? Very good. Okay. Beri satu sebab. Kenapa kamu kata sama? What is the reason you guys say it's the same probability? Anyone? Very good. Boleh? Symmetry. Yes, guys. It is actually symmetry. So what makes it symmetry? Because A, negative A. Magnitude yang sama, guys. Ahmad, tak boleh jawab macam tu. Bukan sebab warna sama. Okay, you must see the value, guys. Okay, tengok nilai. Okay, kalau magnitude nilai tu sama, maksudnya luas dia sama. Okay, you just refer the magnitude only. Because the area under the graph represent probability. Do you all know that? Okay, luas bawah graf tabuhan normal tu mewakili kebarangkalian kamu. Alright? Okay. So, okay. So I think these are a few questions lah yang kamu kena tahu tentang graf normal. Okay guys, one more. Yang ni, kat tengah-tengah, kuantiti apa? Kat tengah-tengah tabuhan normal. The middle of the graph. Very good. Okay, they like to ask also. This one is mean, guys. Take note. They like to ask in SPM. Okay, so yeah, I think this is the basic that you all need to know. And then this graph is also showing you Z score Z. So maksudnya graph ni telah ditukar dari score X kepada score Z. Okay, so semua nilai kat sini adalah nilai score Z yang kamu boleh cari dari jadual kamu. You can find all the value in the table of the score Z. Okay, later we will see the table and some question. Okay, alright. So your table, it looks something like this. Okay, ini adalah jadual yang kamu ada. Betul kan guys? Banyak-banyak nombor. Okay, so basic. First step. Nilai ni dan nilai ni. Semua ni mewakili score Z. Okay, kamu kena ingat yang tu. All of these value are showing you your Z score. Okay, in English is Z score lah. Okay, and then the value in the middle, nilai kat tengah-tengah mewakili kebarangkalian kamu. Probability. Okay, can you all get that? So jangan confuse guys. Banyak orang confuse dan dapat salah kat sini sebab dia tertukar antara dua-dua ni. Okay, so yang kat dalam banyak tu probability. Yang kat tepi dan atas score Z. Clear? One or two guys so far? Kita ada code. Kalau satu maksudnya kamu faham. Dua maksudnya tak faham. One is understand, two is don't understand. So if you understand type 1, don't understand type 2. Okay, N354. May I know what is your question? Apa soalan kamu? Okay, bagus. Majority. Oh, you meant one. Jangan tersilap guys. Kalau kamu typo, saya akan tanya apa soalan kamu. Okay, very good. Alright. Okay, so we go to the next one. Okay, so for the table, guys, can you all tell me what is the maximum value of probability you see in the table? Apa nilai kebarangkalian paling besar dalam jadual ni? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Dalam jadual ni, in the table.
0.5.
Yes, 0.5 guys. Okay, it's not 1. Total in the table is 0.5. Means that they are actually telling you this. Okay, mereka bagi nilai untuk setengah graf sahaja. Okay, nilai kebarangkalian untuk setengah daripada graf taburan normal. Only half of the graph values are given. Okay, so example, let's say kamu dapat kebarangkalian 0.9812. Boleh tak saya rujuk jadual untuk dapat skor Z? Yes or no? Let's say you got a value of probability 0.9812. Can I refer the table or not? Yes or no?
Kena tolak dulu.
Yes, very good guys. Kamu kena tolak dulu guys. 1 tolak 0.9812. You must take 1 minus so that you can get the value in the table. Kamu kena pastikan nilai kebarangkalian tu ada dalam jadual ni. Your value of probability must be inside here. Okay? Alright. So usually, right guys, score Z, how many decimal place will be your answer? Berapa titik perpuluhan jawapan kamu untuk skor Z? Yes, 3 decimal place guys. Okay, 3 titik perpuluhan. Mengapa macam ni? Sebab kamu lihat 0.1, okay, kamu ambil nilai lah 4, 3. So nilai skor Z adalah 0.143. So guys, the maximum decimal place for score Z or Z score is always 3. Okay, don't be less than that. Jangan letak kurang dari yang tu. Jawapan tak tepat dah. Okay, you must give the most accurate answer. Okay, probability pula guys, kebarangkalian. Berapa tempat perpuluhan maximum? What is your maximum decimal place for probability? Very good. Okay, 4 guys. Okay, 4 adalah maximum for probability value. Why 4? Because your table can read until 4 decimal place. Okay, jadual ada sampai 4 tempat perpuluhan. Senang macam tu saja. Jangan tukar. Okay? Alright. So yang ni kan guys, over here, the extra column. Okay guys, biasanya kamu takkan buat yang ni kan? Betul. Ramai akan cuba elakkan yang ni. A lot of you don't really make your answer more accurate by adding the third decimal place. Am I right? Titik perpuluhan yang ketiga kan guys, ataupun yang keempat akan datang dari sini. Okay, it will come from this table. So you must know how to use this part of the table also. Bahagian ni juga agak penting. Alright? So nanti kita akan lihat contoh. Okay, so up till now, 1 or 2 with everything on the table. Ini adalah basic lah tentang jadual dia. 1 Okay, continue. Okay guys, so kamu boleh nampak lah. It's usually 3 or 4 decimal place. Okay, for your normal distribution. 3 atau 4. Okay, and then okay, very important thing here guys. Sangat penting dengar betul-betul. Listen carefully. In this chapter, dalam bab ni, kebarangkalian kita selalu akan guna simbol ni. Okay, maksudnya, kebarangkalian hanya merujuk kepada sebelah kanan. Okay, the probability value is only referring to the right. Okay, maksudnya, kalau simbol kamu macam ni, dalam soalan, if the question give you this symbol, can I direct use and read the table guys? Boleh tak saya baca terus nilai dalam jadual? Kalau simbol saya macam ni, yes or no? Very good. Okay, tak boleh lah. Yes. Okay, tak boleh. Why? Because it will show different value of probability. Dia akan gambarkan nilai kebarangkalian yang berbeza. Okay, so always make sure check and see your symbol must be always to the right. Okay, simbol ketaksaman, your inequality sign always to the right, ke kanan. Okay, and then second thing, you check kebarangkalian kamu kena lebih kecil dari 0.5. Your probability value must be less than 0.5. These are the two most important things in normal distribution. The basic that you must do when you solve the question. Okay, kamu kena pastikan dua ni dulu. Baru kamu rujuk jadual ke atas. Boleh faham guys? Pernah tahu tak yang ni? Do you all know this before? Hopefully you all know this lah. This is the two important criteria that you must make sure. Okay? Okay. Clear? 1 or 2? for these two criteria? Any problems? No problem, huh? Okay, so we go direct to the question. We direct see a question. Okay, guys. Okay, we go one by one lah. Okay, soalan A, guys. So soalan A very simple. They ask you probability Z greater than 0.235. Okay, guys. First question. This value refer to what? Nilai 0.235 merujuk apa? Okay, wait guys. Sebelum jangan jawab lagi. I help N354. This one, right? N354. You ask me repeat this one, right? These two condition. Am I right? Okay. So what you must make sure, guys, first step, your inequality sign in probability must point to the right. Okay? Second step, your value of probability must be less than 0.5 so that you can refer the table because all the value in the table is lesser than 0.5. Okay? Clear? These two conditions only you need to remember. Other than that, nothing to remember. Okay? I will share you guys my method, how I solve the question later. Okay, saya akan kongsi kaedah saya. Jangan risau. Okay? Alright, so we come back here. So guys, 0.235. What does this value represent? Can anyone tell me? 0.235. Yes, very good guys. This is your score Z. Bukan score X. This is already your Z score. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, so first you must check the two things, guys. Whenever you see normal question, you check two things. The syarat I told you guys earlier. Okay, the condition. Okay, guys, first condition. Is my inequality sign pointing to the right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Adakah okay, yes. Okay, simbol ketaksamaan saya. Sorry. Wait guys. Okay, yes. Simbol ketaksamaan saya ke sebelah kanan. Okay, the second condition cannot because they never give you the probability here. So second condition no need to check. Tak perlu lihat. Okay. Got scammer. Wait guys. I think silap buka mic code. Never mind. Okay guys. So we come back here. Okay, so this one. Wait. Okay. So probability Z greater than 0.235. So means that we can direct refer the table. Am I right? Kita boleh terus lihat jadual. Okay guys. So now I teach you all how to read the table. Macam mana boleh baca. Okay, so first thing 0.23. Okay, you start with two decimal place always guys. Okay, mula dengan dua titik perpuluhan dulu. So 0.23. Okay, so the value is 0.4090. Okay, always four decimal place. 4.4. Okay, can I stop here guys? Boleh tak saya henti kat sini? Ini
Cannot.
adalah jawapan saya. Okay, very good. Always must consider the third decimal place. Kamu kena lihat tempat perpuluhan ketiga, iaitu 5 dalam soalan. Okay, so number 5, you have to go to this column. Okay guys, can you see this? Number 5, you can read 19. Okay, so tambah atau tolak? Do we plus 19 or minus 19 to this value over here? Tambah atau tolak? 19.
Kena tolak.
Minus.
Again?
Minus.
Minus. Okay. Guys, you sure minus? Okay, correct. Yes. Okay, minus 0.0019. Yes, correct. Okay, so you just need to minus 0.0019. Okay, then you will get the answer already. Okay, dapat jawapan. Okay, so this will be your answer. Are you all clear, guys? Boleh dapat?
Yes.
Yes.
How to read the table? Okay, Diana, you see this one. 0.235, right? Your Z score. Am I right? This is your Z score. So you go down. Okay. 0.23. Am I right? 0.23. So this is the value. Do you understand this? So you get 0.4090. First step. All right. Second step. You have to see the third decimal place. Okay. So third decimal place is number 5. Okay. So you refer to the right, the most right column. Okay, you see number 5, you have a value of 19. Am I right? So you just need to take 0. Wait, 0.4090 minus 0.0019. Okay, are you clear? Why minus, guys? Because the table already tell you tolak. Okay, you must minus. So you follow the table. Are you clear? So you just count the value then. Okay. Are you all clear? One or two? How to get the answers? So this is the most important step lah guys. In normal distribution, you will use this all the time. Setiap kali akan guna langkah ni. Okay, so you must be very clear on the table. Okay, so this is for part A. Okay, next step. Next question. Okay guys, so this one. Okay guys, can you check and see? Okay, one more thing I forget to mention. Satu perkara saya lupa. Okay guys, take note in your table, dalam jadual kamu kan, score Z semua adalah positif. Okay, all your Z score must be positive. Okay, maybe I put this as the third condition. Okay, Z score positive. Okay, so you have 3 condition actually. Okay, positive Z score, and then ketaksamaan kena menunjuk arah kanan, and then the third one is nilai kebarangkalian lebih kurang dari 0.5. Okay guys, you got 3 condition now. Alright. Okay guys, so you see question B. Question B, is the score Z positive? Adakah score Z saya positif? Yes or no? Okay, so that one wrong already. One mistake. Second mistake, adakah ketaksamaan saya betul? Is my inequality sign correct? Okay,
No.
very good. Okay, so guys, always remember this. In probability, right? How to change it? So when you change the sign, right? Bila kamu tukar simbol, negatif akan automatically jadi positif. Ini adalah keunikan dia. Okay, whenever you change sign, negative symbol become positive. Positive symbol become negative. Can you all understand this? So ini adalah satu tricks yang kamu boleh guna untuk selesaikan soalan. Okay guys? Do you all understand? So whenever you switch the sign, negative value change to positive. Okay, why is it like that? Some of you might ask me. This is the example, guys. Can you all see this? Tadi saya bagi tahu kan? Negative A, positive A. Kebarangkalian dia sama kan? The probability area is the same on both sides of the graph. So this is the same type of question. Lihat soalan B. So that's why kamu boleh tukar simbol. Sebab kebarangkalian dia masih sama. Probability still the same. Whether you are negative score Z or positive score Z. Both also the same value. Do you all understand? So that's why you can change. Become like this. Clear? One or two for this one. You will use this very frequently, guys. Kamu akan guna ilmu ni sangat kerap dalam bab ni. Okay? Alright. So then, kamu ulang saja langkah sama. Okay, repeat same step only. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, so for question B. Okay, so you see, they change the symbol. Okay, and then kamu baca dari jadual. Just read back the table. Okay, let me see. Do they give the table or not? Okay, they never show the table. Never mind. Okay, guys, do you all have a table beside you? Bila saya ajarkan kamu, kalau boleh, letak jadual normal di sisi kamu. Okay, have a normal distribution table by your side. Or you just open on your computer lah, another separate tab while I'm teaching you. So that is more easy for you guys to refer. Okay, lebih senang nak rujuk. Alright?
Sir, can you please
Okay.
repeat how to do question B, please?
Question B, this one.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Very simple. This is the question, right? So first step, your score Z must be positive. Am I right? Okay, so you just switch the sign only. From less than, become more than. So when you switch the sign, negative will become positive. Okay, like how you see over here. Okay, then you just direct refer table only. You have to refer to your normal table. Okay, then you read the value. Okay, kamu semua okay kan? Baca nilai. Tadi saya dah terangkan. I did show you the method.
You said firstly the 2 decimal places and it says 2.12. Where to see the 2.12?
2.122 you can refer from the table. Okay, I didn't put the complete version of the table here, so I cannot show you over here. By example,
Oh,
you can see online. You try to find online, and then you can understand already. Okay, guys? And always make sure the symbol in the middle is minus. Tolak kat tengah-tengah. Alright? Jangan tambah. Don't plus. Okay, so this is your final answer. 0.0169. Okay, next question. Soalan berikutnya. Okay, guys. So if you see this question, okay, how many mistake over here, guys? Can you all tell me? Berapa kesilapan ada kat sini? Satu atau dua?
two.
Berdasarkan syarat-syarat tadi. Are you sure two? The rest?
Yes.
Is it one or two mistake? Berapa
One.
kesilapan? Very good. The answer is one, guys. Okay, satu sahaja. Okay, why satu? First step, guys. The inequality sign is correct. Okay, simbol ketaksaman dia betul sebab dia ke arah kanan. It point to the right, the inequality. Second, is your score Z positive? No. Okay, score Z saya adalah negatif. So itu adalah kesilapan saya. That is the mistake. Okay, guys. So how to make my score Z become positive? Can anyone tell me? Apa langkah yang saya kena guna untuk bagi dia jadi positif? Yang ni. Anyone? Very simple. 1 minus Z score. Let me think. Okay, Ken. Okay, so another method I shared to you is you can change the inequality sign. Okay, kamu tukar simbol ketaksaman. Maksudnya, dari sini macam ni. Boleh faham? You will get like this. When you switch the sign, negative score Z become positive. Boleh? Yang ni langkah pertama lah. Langkah kedua, kamu guna satu tolak. PZ lebih besar dari 1.239. Okay? Can you all understand, guys? So first step, score Z negative silap. So you switch the inequality sign. More than or equal to become less than or equal to. Okay, lepas tu negatif jadi positif. Second step, simbol ketaksaman dia salah sekarang. So macam mana tukar? How to change it? Okay, you use 1 minus, satu tolak. Okay, and then whenever you use 1 minus, right guys, bila guna satu tolak, selalu ingat kamu kena tukar simbol. Dari yang ni, jadi yang ni. You must switch the sign. Are you clear? Boleh dapat?
Yes.
Can you all imagine? This one you must imagine, guys. Kalau kamu tak pandai bayangkan macam mana taburan normal punya graf tu nampak, susah. Kamu kena hafal macam ni. Okay, tapi kalau kamu seorang yang tak suka hafal, you don't want to memorize like how I teach over here, you draw out the graph. Kamu lukis graph. Okay, example. Okay, saya tunjuk kat sini. Okay guys, so this is my normal, right? Normal graph. Something like this. Okay, macam ni. Okay, so tadi score Z was, let me see. Negative code saya rasa. Okay, your score Z is negative 1.239. Okay guys, so you see the normal graph here? You just label anywhere you like. Negative 1.239. Okay guys, soalan suruh cari apa? Z lebih besar atau sama dengan. Betul? So kamu akan lorek ke mana guys? Kiri atau kanan? Dia kata lebih besar. Greater than negative 1.239. So,
Ke
where you
kanan.
shade? Yes, very good. You follow the symbol only, guys. If your symbol like this, you shade to the right. Your symbol like this, you shade to the left. Tengok arah simbol tu kat sini. Look at where it's pointing. Okay, then kamu akan dapat jawapan betul. Okay, so maksudnya kamu kena cari kebarangkalian yang ni. You must find this probability. Okay, so how to find? Logic, guys. Okay, you can think logic also. Tak perlu tengok syarat-syarat pun. You don't need to see condition, you can get the answer. Okay, so how? You can take 1 total minus probability Z less than or equal to negative 1.239. Do you all understand? Boleh dapat kan? So ini juga jawapan dia. But
why
then,
is it less than negative 1.239?
okay, I explain to you. Guys, can you see this? 1 is the total probability. Am I right? Seluruh luas. Bawah graf ni satu kan? Okay. Kawasan berlorek saya ke kanan. So, saya ambil 1 minus the region that is unshaded. Okay, this is the unshaded region here, guys. Kawasan tak berlorek, which is this one. Probability Z less than or equal to negative 1.239. Can you all understand? Clear?
Sir,
Yes?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Can secakap when we minus with 1, we have to change the symbol, right? Does this apply to every question or questions with inequalities like this only?
Every question will have inequality in probability. So, yeah, it will apply no matter
So
what.
apa case memang semua dia tolak. Satu memang dia tukar simbol. Yelah, dia tukar simbol lah.
Yes, betul. Okay?
Okay.
Tapi kamu cuba nampak guys. Tadi saya tuliskan dengan yang ni berbeza tau. Tengok yang ni. Yang ni berbeza. Yang ni masih berbeza. Tengok yang ni. Okay, so guys, kamu kena ingat balik rules dia lah sebenarnya. Okay, so guys, negative score Z tak boleh. You cannot read from the table. Tak boleh baca score Z negative. So kamu kena continue langkah dari sini. You continue your step. Okay guys, what should I do here? Kalau saya nak score Z positif, saya kena tukar simbol. I must change the symbol. Am I right? So this is how I can make my Z score become positive. So guys, compare now. This answer and this answer. Sama kan? You all see? Different method, same answer. Jawapan sama. So bergantunglah kamu nak guna method ni yang 100% hafal, 100% memorize, or the second method is untuk yang suka bayangkan. For those that good at imagining, you can use the second method, which is this one. Are you all clear? So you all choose which method you want. Pilih yang paling sesuai dengan kamu. Alright? So yeah. Yang penting kamu kena ingat rules dia sahaja. Sebab dua-dua method pun kena guna rules. Okay, iaitu kalau score Z negatif kena tukar jadi positif dengan kamu reverse simbol ketaksamaan. That's all. Okay? So macam tu sahaja. Alright. So for question number soalan tadi apa? Okay, question number C. Okay, so kamu boleh lihat jawapan. Okay, so C is something like this. Okay guys, so actually in exam, right, kamu boleh lukis yang ini sebenarnya untuk bantu kamu. You just draw a random graph to help you imagine where is the probability you want to find. Okay, then you will get this answer very easily. Once you get this answer, right, you straight away think of the rules. Okay, ingat hukum dia. Okay, so first step you check score Z positive or not. Bukan positif, negatif. Okay, so I must make it positive. So macam mana? Tukar simbol. You switch the sign. When you switch the sign, negative become positive. Okay, like this. Alright? Then you just refer table for this one. Lihat jadual sahaja. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
kenapa dia dah tak ada dia punya equal sign?
Equal?
Equal
Oh,
like
Yes, yes. Let me see ya. Sebab kalau okay guys, first thing, inequality, right? Okay, I need to explain this to you all. Dalam bab ni kan special sikit. Okay, let me use a blank page. Okay guys, in binomial, right? Dalam tabuhan binomial, yang ni dengan yang ni ada beza kan dalam binomial. Sebab yang ni merujuk yang ni sahaja. Betul? Dan sampai bila-bila. But this one, it include 5. Am I right? Yes. Okay guys, when you come to normal, this sign and this sign mean the exact same thing. Dia ada maksud sama sahaja. Tak ada maksud berlainan. So, kamu letak sama dengan atau tak ada sama dengan pun tak bawa apa-apa kesan. Asalkan arah simbol tu betul. Itu sahaja perlu ada dalam normal. Okay? Kenapa? Sebab normal adalah tabuhan yang selanjar. Normal distribution is a continuous random variable, guys. Continuous random variable does not depend on the the equal sign. Okay, in your inequality, simbol yang ni. Okay, it does not affect. Only discrete random variable akan dipengaruhi oleh simbol tu. Do you all understand? Clear? Because normal distribution is uncountable. Okay, you cannot really count. Binomial you can count like 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right? You got certain value. But normal kamu tak boleh kira punya. Okay, that's why the inequality sign tak penting. Okay, so Jangan terlalu risaulah tentang yang tu. Kamu letak mana-mana pun betul. Okay, you just put anything you like. You will get the correct answer also. Okay, jawapan betul. Alright. So next one. C, okay, no problem. Question C. Your answer is 0.8924. 4 dp always, guys. 4 titik perpuluhan. Okay, so we go to question number D. Okay, so soalan nombor D. Let me see. Okay. Okay, guys. Question D. Is there any error? Ada apa-apa yang silap dalam soalan yang kamu kena tukar?
The symbol.
Very good. Okay, guys, always remember symbol to the right. Okay, tapi bila tukar symbol, you must add negative. So, tak boleh. Sebab score Z tak boleh negative. You cannot have a negative score Z. So, how? Okay, so you can draw the graph. Okay, lukis graph, kamu faham dah. Okay, so if you refer the graph, question D. Okay, guys, can you see it? Okay, so basically, you just need to use 1 minus probability Z greater than 2.453. Do you all understand? Untuk yang ni dia dah patuhi. Okay, simbol ketaksaman ke kanan, your inequality to the right, and score Z positive. So you can direct refer the table for the next step. Okay, clear for this question? Sangat standard guys proses dia. Sangat-sangat standard. Okay, kalau kamu boleh dapat yang ni betul, kamu dah 90% dapat jawapan dah. Okay, if you can get the second line correct, you're almost there already. Because rest of the step is just read the table only. Baca jadual sahaja. Alright? Clear? 1 or 2 guys? Boleh comment? 1 or 2? If got 2, please tell lah. Kalau sesiapa ada 2, tolong bagi tahu. Okay, very good. Okay, next one. Okay, Shafiqa. What is, yes?
The part just now where just now you said P in bracket Z less than and equals to 2.4, that thing, right? When we change the symbol, that's why you put that 1 minus P in front there, right?
Yes, correct. You got 2 alternatives. Okay, wait, I explain to you. Okay, when the question like this, right, guys? Okay, Shafiqa, kamu boleh tanya soalan, nanti saya explain. Okay, guys, when you have symbol like this, right? You got two options, 2 alternative. First alternative, kamu boleh tukar simbol macam ni dan negative 2.453. Okay, first option. Second option, kamu boleh guna 1 minus, 1 tolak. So when you use 1 minus, simbol dia akan tukar. Tak perlu tukar positif atau negatif untuk yang ni. So guys, you got 2 separate answer. So yang mana kamu nak pilih? Which one you want to choose? A or B? Untuk selesaikan soalan ni. Yes, of course A lah. Sebab B you got some mistake. Okay, yes. Because cause Z negative. So this is how you should think guys. Kamu fikir 2 cara ni, lepas tu eliminate 1, pilih yang betul. So itu cara dia. Alright. 2 kaedah saja. Tukar simbol tambah negatif ataupun 1 tolak tukar simbol. That's all. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so then you will get the answer D. Okay, next one. Okay, question E is special because they give you something like this. Okay, jangan takut bila nampak macam ni. Don't be worried. Okay, it look difficult only. Nampak susah saja, but actually very easy. Okay, guys. You can again imagine the graph. Kamu kena bayangkan graph. Okay, so example. This kind of graph, mungkin dia nampak macam ni. Okay, 1.236. Okay, so kamu boleh tanda macam ni. You just mark it like this. This is your shaded region. Okay guys, how to count this probability? You tell me the logic. Bagi tahu saya. Apa kaedah kamu guna?
Kita kena tolak.
Boleh cakap tak langkah dengan lengkap? Anyone? How to do it?
Can minus with 0.5.
Yes, very good. Correct. Okay, because this area is 0.5. Remember guys, always the one left of 0 or right of 0 is always 0.5. Is half. Okay. What other area you must minus? Apa lagi kawasan kena tolak kat sini? Anyone? See carefully. Come on guys. What other area you must minus over here? Kamu kena tolak mana? Yes. Tengok kawasan ni guys. Ada lagi. Yes. Okay, means you tolak probability Z greater than 1.236. Do you all understand? So kamu ambil satu, tolak yang ni, tolak yang ni. So this is the method. Do you all understand? Clear, right? Very simple. Okay, untuk yang ni ada apa-apa silap tak guys? This one over here. Is there any problem with the symbol or the Z score? Ada kesilapan tak? Very good. So means that kalau tak ada kesilapan, direct refer table. Tengok jadual terus. Okay, and then you read the value. Okay. Anyone here still struggle or not? How to use the table? Siapa masih tak boleh tukar dari yang ni kepada nilai kebarangkalian? Ada sesiapa orang macam ni tak? Anyone? This step is very important also. Ada. Okay, so saya tunjuklah. Okay, let me try to find the normal table. Saya pun kena fikir mana letak dah. Okay, namailah. I search Google. Simple. I show you guys, one example only. Okay, because it's the same process only. Okay, let me just show for you. Normal distribution table. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the table you see in exam. Am I right? Kamu nampak kan jadual ni dalam peperiksaan kamu. This is the exact one guys. Kamu nampak yang ni. Okay guys, so you can see all. Oh, cannot zoom in. Never mind. Okay, tak boleh zoom in, tapi saya bagi macam ni lah. Okay, so guys, tell me. Kita latih sikit lah. Z score 1.301. Apa nilai kebarangkalian dia? Cuba bagi tahu saya. 1.301. Tell me your probability answer.
0.0968 minus.
Yes? Continue. Final
Minus
answer, guys.
0.00.
Yes, very good. So the answer is 0.0966. Correct. Okay, very good. See you at intensive already. Tomorrow is not intensive. Monday is intensive. Tomorrow is the SPM paper. Yeah. Okay, see you. Okay, so guys, correct. 0.0966. Okay, one more. Satu lagi. Score Z 0.383. What is your probability? Zero point three eight three, 383. Anyone? Kena cepat tau guys, langkah ni.
0.3557 minus
0.38.
0.0.
38, not 37. 3519. No. 383 guys. 383. Try again, carefully. Macam mana dapat 38? Guys, score Z 0.383. Start type kat sini. Mungkin kamu tak dengar. Okay, yes. Brian Gaming correct tadi. Okay, this is your Z score guys. 0.383. Okay, kamu kena cari kebarangkalian dari sini. Okay, so kamu akan dapat 0.3520 tolak 0.0011. Okay, always remember guys, the number at the back, right, is for the last two digit. The number 11 there that I minus is for the last two decimal place. Means in the front is all 0. 0.0011. Okay, dua yang tu kamu letak kat terakhir. Okay guys, clear? Can you get it? How to use the table? Should be okay, right? Okay, very good.
Sir, I need to ask a question.
Yes.
The question tadi, right? Question E.
Yeah.
I understand we have to minus with 0.5, but how come we have to minus with 1 also?
We didn't minus with 1. It's 1 minus. 1 minus 0.5 minus the other region. Okay,
Yeah,
you
but
see,
why do we have to minus with the one also?
because 1 is the total probability, the whole
I
thing,
thought
the
I
whole
thought
graph.
because I thought the question was only looking for lesser than 1.236, but it's more
Okay, wait.
than zero, right?
Like this. This one question E, right? When do we need to minus 1? It depends on the question. Okay. Actually, right, guys, there is no fixed method one. Don't fix your mind that there is this type of question, you use 1 minus. This type of question, you switch the sign. Don't. Both method can apply. It just depends which one is longer, which one is shorter. That's all. Okay, don't fix your mind that this question only this method. Wrong. That's not how you learn at maths. Okay, it's just to make it easy only. That's why people say, or the teachers say, like, okay, this kind of question, this method, so that easier for you. But in the real fact, there is actually a lot of method. Okay, you can think like the two method I show you. Every single question, you can apply the two method that I show you. This one over here. Let me find it where I put that thing. I think it was somewhere here. This one. Do you see, guys? Method A and B. Every single question, you can use method A and B. Setiap soalan boleh guna yang ni sebenarnya. So, jangan fix soalan macam ni guna method A. Soalan macam ni guna method B. Jangan. Itu bukan konsep at maths. Okay? Alright, can So, just now coming back to your question, Diana. Sorry, not Diana. Orang yang buka mic. This one, right? Okay, so this is the concept. Because the area I want to find is between 0 and 1.236, correct? The purple area. So I take the whole area under the graph, which is 1, minus the red color one to the left, minus the one that is the green color to the right. Can you all see it? Clear? So that's why I use this method. Okay, because you cannot find a method to direct find the answer. Tak ada kaedah untuk terus dapat jawapan kat sini, guys. Sebab dia adalah satu julat. It is a range. Okay, that's why we need to use the method of 1 minus. Do you understand me? No other method. For this kind of question, right, guys, you see like this, right? Only one method. Satu kaedah sahaja. Macam soalan E ni. Okay, kamu kena lukis graf. Guna kaedah satu tolak kawasan di sebelah kiri, tolak kawasan di sebelah kanan. Kawasan berlorek. Boleh faham? One or two, guys? This type of question like E is very straightforward. But question like soalan apa tadi? Soalan soalan A, B, C, D ada dua kaedah. Yang A dan B tu. Okay? So, yeah. Alright. So, kamu boleh cuba lagi. Soalan F, guys. You try and see. Question F. Okay, so again, you must draw the graph lah to understand better. Kamu lukis graph. Okay? Saat saya lihat. Adakah graph ditunjukkan? Okay, yes. Okay, guys. So, you can draw your graph like this. Okay? So, the concept is, you take the area of the whole graph minus the left-hand side, yang sebelah kiri, minus the right-hand side, sebelah kanan. Do you all see it? So then you will get the black color area yang kamu kena cari. Boleh faham? So ini adalah konsep yang kita guna untuk soalan macam ni. This is the concept. Okay, if you are a person who like color, kalau kamu seorang yang suka warna, you can try to color your graph like this. Maybe you understand better with color. I don't know lah what type of person you are. Some people like to use color coding. Okay, so for this kind of question, right, color coding is very useful. Okay, means that a certain region you mark with one color, another region you mark with different color, and then the one you want to find another color. Anyone use this method? Dia guna warna-warna berbeza untuk tabuhan normal. I just said the region. Okay. I think in exam you can only use one color lah because you are writing with pen. Am I right? But then when not exam time, you're trying to learn. If you feel like color help you to understand better, then you can use color also. Okay? So yeah. Okay, so question F, you will have something like this. Okay guys, so over here, there is a mistake. Am I right? Ada kesilapan. So kamu kena tukar simbol. You must switch the sign and then it will become positive. Okay, and then this one, any mistake here guys? Ada apa-apa kesilapan kat yang paling kanan? Any mistake you see? Very good. Okay, no mistake. Because Z score positive, simbol ketaksamaan ke kanan. So correct. Okay, then direct refer the table untuk dapat dua-dua nilai ni. Okay, actually got one more method also. The other method is you use calculator. Siapa guna calculator untuk kebarangkalian ni? Anyone? Who use their calculator to find the probability? Siapa guna? Okay, this one you must be a bit careful lah guys. Bila guna calculator kan, nilai dia takkan selalu tepat. Some question you will get correct answer. Some question you try right, you see the answer will be different one from the answer scheme. Okay, some question only you can apply. Yes, dia akan lari. Okay, so sebab dia adalah bilangan tempat perpuluhan yang calculator kamu tunjuk. Okay, sometimes your calculator give a more accurate answer than the probability table. Okay, jadual yang ada dalam soalan kamu. Kadang-kadang calculator tu bagi jawapan kurang tempat perpuluhan dari apa yang ada dalam jadual tu. So itu adalah kekurangan calculator untuk bab ni. This is the disadvantage guys. So try to use the manual method. Don't use calculator for this chapter. Normal. Make sure you know how to use the table. Tak boleh lari dari guna jadual punya. You must know how to use. Okay? Jangan cakap macam saya tak tahulah guna jadual ni, so saya guna calculator. Calculator tak boleh selamatkan kamu soalan ni. Calculator cannot help you. Okay? Sometimes it will give you wrong answer. Okay? So make sure you 100% know how to use the table. Okay? Alright. So one or two guys so far. Satu atau dua. Sampai soalan F. One ah? Where is the number one? Semua orang tidur ke? One, okay. Hopefully you all focus ah. Jangan tertidur pula. Okay, I know it's a bit repetitive, but the more question you do, the better you will come. Okay, lebih banyak kamu cuba, lebih bagus. Okay guys, question G and H, very important. Okay, sangat berbeza dari yang lain. Kenapa? Sebab kamu nampak simbol modulus. Okay guys, so how to convert this? Macam mana saya boleh tukar persamaan ni? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Very important. You must understand first the meaning of modulus. Apa maksud modulus Z?
Switch the modulus over to the decimal, so it becomes Z bigger to -2.06.
Okay. Yes, positive, negative, correct. Okay, guys, modulus means that positive, negative 2.063. Okay, so untuk yang positif, kamu akan tulis macam ni. Betul? Untuk negatif, guys, perlu tak saya tukar simbol ketaksamaan? Do I need to switch the sign? When I add negative, selalu bila tambah negatif, kita buat apa? Yes. Okay, we must switch the sign. So, kita akan dapat macam ni. So, ini adalah jawapan kita, guys. Something like this. Okay, this will be your final answer. Okay, then you try to refer to the table. Actually, got shortcut method. Ada kaedah lebih pantas. Okay, guys. If you notice, right? Adakah dua-dua ni yang saya tulis sama? Are this one and this one the same? Yes or no?
Sama. It's just they're on the different side.
Very good. So means that you can write like this. 2 kali kebarangkalian Z lebih besar dari 2.063. Boleh faham tak guys? Can you all understand? So usually modulus, you can direct write this answer. Terus tulis jawapan ni kalau kamu faham. Kalau tak faham lagi, kamu tulis yang ni dulu. Okay, you write that one first, then you come to this one. Are you clear? Yes?
But then that -2.063 you cannot refer to the table, right?
Cannot. That's why you will switch the sign. Yes. You will switch the sign to become like the first one. So that's why it become 2 times. 2 kali. Sebab dua-dua sama nilai. Okay? So yeah. Any problem for question G? So you just refer.
For like that question, if we change the if we don't change the symbol, we have to draw the graph and then do it the normal way.
Can? You can draw the graph also. Can. No problem. But guys, you must understand, when you draw this graph in SPM, right, you don't get any mark for the drawing. please take note. Bila kamu lukis yang ni, jangan kamu expect kamu akan dapat 1 markah. Tak ada. Bila kamu tulis yang ni saja, kamu akan dapat markah. When you start to write this. Okay, I know it's the same meaning. Saya tahu maksud dia sama, tapi kamu kena tulis dalam bentuk perkataan untuk matematik. You must write the equation. You cannot just show diagram and expect that 1 mark. Okay, no. I didn't understand why must put 2 in front. Oh, Diana, can you see these 2 areas over here? Are they the same? I ask you. This one and this one. Same or not? Yes? So if same means, it's the concept of 5 plus 5, guys. 5 tambah 5, apa jawapan dia? Okay, kamu semua cakap 10 kan? 5 plus 5 is 10. How to get 10? 2 times 5. Am I right? Contoh paling mudah. So over here, this value is same as this value. So that's why saya letak 2 kali kebarangkalian Z lebih besar dari yang ni. Boleh faham tak sekarang dia, Diana? Ini adalah konsep dia. 5 tambah 5, so 2 kali 5. Sebab nilai dia sama. Same value. Okay? Alright. So, kamu boleh lukis lah. If you want to draw the diagram is better means for you, you just draw. Okay? So, this is the answer. Jawapan akhir. Clear, guys? So, for question H, exactly the same concept. Okay? Konsep sama saja. It's just that your inequality sign over here change. Okay? Dia tukar. Okay? Actually, for this question, you can split like this. Okay, so you write like this, 1.763 plus probability Z greater than negative 1.763. Okay, kamu boleh tulis macam ni juga pun boleh. Okay, but then if you use this method, it will be slightly longer. Dia akan lebih panjang sikit saja. Tapi masih jawapan sama. Okay? If you understand well, you can direct go to this one. Kalau kamu faham, kamu boleh terus tulis yang ni. Okay? Are you clear, guys? Any problems? It's the same thing only. Exactly the same thing like what I write. Okay? Clear, guys? Can you respond if you're clear? Okay, so can you see here? Z greater than negative 1.763. Z less than or equal to 1.763. So this is the shaded region. Ini kamu yang nak cari. Okay? 1 or 2, guys? 1 atau 2?
1.
1, Okay, very good. Okay, so we go to the next page. Okay, so these type of questions you will see very frequently lah in SPM. Tapi mereka takkan tanya macam ni lah. Mereka akan bagi situasi sebenarnya. Okay, they will give you a situation. Okay, so just now we all see how to get probability from score Z. Kamu cari kebarangkalian dari score Z. Now, kita reverse process. Kita ada kebarangkalian, nak cari score Z. Okay, now we reverse thinking only. Okay, so this type of question also suka tanya sangat dalam SPM. Okay, so actually it's the same concept only. Konsep sama saja. Just kamu reverse process dia. Okay, alright. So guys, you can see question A. Okay, so first of all, you must check again the 2 condition, 2 syarat. Okay, is my inequality sign correct, guys? Adakah simbol ketaksamaan betul?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay. For the score Z here, you cannot actually check because the A value, you don't know whether it's positive or negative. Kamu takkan tahu A itu positif atau negatif. So, tak apa. Kamu cek simbol ketaksamaan dan kamu cek kebarangkalian. Is my probability less than 0.5, guys? Adakah dia lebih kurang? Yes.
Less.
Okay. So, maksudnya kamu boleh terus rujuk jadual. Direct refer the table. Okay, so you find 0.3851. Okay, sometimes, right, you cannot find the value in the table. Kamu tak boleh cari nilai ni. 0.3851. Cannot find. So, what to do, guys? Kamu kena cari nombor yang lebih besar dari yang tu. Selalu cari nombor lebih besar dari yang ni. Find the number bigger than it and closest to 0.3851. So the number bigger and closest is 0.3859. Okay? Tapi boleh tak saya kata jawapan saya 0.29? Settle. Is it correct? Yes or no? Sebab saya tengok 0.29. Is it correct? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Okay, you must actually remember that you must consider the third decimal place. Kamu kena tengok tempat perpuluhan yang ketiga. Okay guys, so from 0.3859 to get 0.3851, saya kena tolak berapa untuk dapat dari sini ke sini? Apa kena buat?
Kena tolak 0.0008.
Yes, very good. You must minus 0.0008. Okay, so means that kamu cari nilai 8. So guys, you see the value is 2. Okay, so 2 guys, do you plus or minus? What do you all think? Plus 0.002, plus 0.02 or minus 0.02? Which one?
Minus.
Are you sure? Guys, now we are reversing the process, you know. Kita tengah terbalikkan proses. Tadi
Nah.
dari skor Z, ya, okay. Tadi dari skor Z, kita cari kebangkalian, so kita tolak. Sekarang dari kebangkalian, kita cari skor Z. So you must now plus. Okay? Do you all understand? So dari atas ke bawah, kamu tolak. Dari bawah ke atas, tambah. Okay? Can, So you must plus 0.002. Okay, kamu kena ada 3 tempat perpuluhan. Okay, then you will get your A answer, 0.292. Are you all clear, guys? 1 or 2 for this
Yes.
question? Clear? Just make sure you guys don't mix up on the last decimal place. Yang terakhir tu paling susah. Sebab kadang-kadang kamu rasa kena tolak, tapi sebenarnya tambah. Okay, because we are going opposite direction. Okay, so always remember plus. Probability to score Z, you plus. Score Z to probability, minus. Okay? All right. Okay, next one. Okay, so question B. Okay, so guys, if you see question B, any mistake? Ada apa-apa kesalahan dalam soalan that you need to change?
The value is larger than 0.5.
No, this one. Question B.
Sorry. I look at C instead.
Oh, never mind,
The
it's okay.
symbol.
Yes. Okay, guys, the symbol is wrong. Marcus, where got nothing? Ada. There is kesilapan. Guys, always remember the symbol must point to the right, you know. Okay, so means that you must write like this. Okay, so probability Z greater than negative A. Sorry. Wait, guys. Probability, you don't want to cooperate. Never mind. Z greater than negative A. Okay? Can you write? Yes. It's question B, guys. We are doing question B now. Bukan C. Soalan B. Okay? So you must change the symbol. Okay? From less than to greater than negative A. You must add the negative when you switch the sign to greater than. Okay? And then you maintain the value on the right hand side. Kamu kekalkan. So yang tu lebih kurang dari 0.5. Is less than 0.5. Okay, so again, same step. You can refer the table. Okay, tapi kat sini guys, kamu tengok nilai A dari positif kat soalan A, dia jadi negatif kat soalan B. Because it's the opposite. Okay, dia adalah bertentangan antara satu sama lain. Okay, the magnitude is exactly the same. Nilai dia sama. So what you read from the table is exactly the same. Okay, because tadi kita ada negatif A kan? Betul? Okay, kamu buat yang ni. Negatif A sama dengan yang ni. So A will equal to negative 0.292. Are you all clear, guys? 1 or 2? Correct, huh? Okay. Clear. Okay. All right. So question C. Wow, got a lot of questions lah, this one. Have to go to. Then only you guys understand one. Okay, so question C. Normal distribution, you guys must practice a lot. No other case. You must really do law exercise. Then only you all understand. Okay? All right, so question C. What is wrong over here? Apa yang salah kat sini?
The value is larger than 0.5.
Yes, very good. Okay, so what method you will use? Apa kaedah?
We have to minus with 1.
Yes, very good. Okay, so you just use 1 minus probability Z greater than A and then equal to 0.7, wait guys, 0.7851. Okay, so this is your equation, persamaan kamu. Okay, so now guys, okay, sorry, I made a mistake here. This one is less. Okay, because when you use 1 minus, you must switch the sign. Okay, selalu bila tulis satu tolak, yang ni kena tukar simbol dah. Okay, you must change the sign from greater than to less than, or vice versa. Okay, so from now, you will get something like this. Z less than A equal to, okay, so 1 minus 0.7851. Okay, so you will get 0.2149. Okay, guys, this is your equation now. Is it correct? Any problem in this equation? Ada apa-apa masalah tak?
The symbol.
Yes. So what you do is you just switch it to become greater than. Okay, so you will have probability Z greater than negative. Okay, bila kamu tukar simbol, tambah negative automatically. Equal to 0.2149. Okay, now you can read the table already. Baca jadual. Okay, so for question C, you should get A equal negative 0.789. Selepas kamu baca jadual. After the table. Okay? Can guys? For question C, any problems? Should be okay, right? Soalan C.
Yeah.
So this
How
is
do
the...
you
Sir.
refer to?
Wah, serentak tanya soalan ah.
It's okay, it's okay. He can go first.
Okay.
So, well, it's in a negative form. How do we read the table, or should we just do the graph first?
Which one is negative form?
When we get P equal in bracket Z bigger than A, we get negative 0.2149, right?
No, is this one. Probability Z greater than negative A equal to 0.2149. Can you see? This is the equation. Ini adalah persamaan dia, guys. Don't confuse, Okay, this is the equation we have. Okay, probability can never be negative, guys. You cannot put a negative 0.2149 on the right hand side. It don't make sense. Okay, it always must be a positive value on the right hand side. Only the left hand side, this one over here can be negative. Okay, yang ni boleh negative. Okay, because later you are finding the A value, so you will shift the negative to the left hand side, to the right hand side. Okay, but it doesn't mean that you direct shift now. Okay, jangan shift terlebih awal. Only at the final answer there, not in this format. Okay, because this format is showing you probability, and probability tak boleh negative, kena positive. So the negative sign kita terpaksa maintain kat sini. Do you all understand? This one is just algebra only lah, nothing else. Okay, bahagian algebra saja. Alright. Okay. So for question C, you should get this answer. Okay. Next one, question D. Okay, so this type of question also like just now you've seen, but in this case we are finding the A. Okay, so the concept exactly the same. So what concept you use here, guys, for question D? I won't explain so detailed already because dia berulang dah. It's repeating already. So for question D, what is the concept? Tell me generally, what is your equation? Come on, guys. 42 people over here. 42 orang manusia. What is the concept?
We have to change the symbol first.
I cannot.
Okay.
You can space.
Yes? I think you accidentally open your mic. Change the symbol to positive. Okay, can. But the first step, yang paling awal, what is the method we use? We will use always 1 minus. Am I right? Satu tolak. Sebab kebarangkalian kita dalam julat. Okay, whenever our probability is in a range, right guys, you always use 1 minus. Okay, satu kaedah saja untuk soalan macam ni. Okay, so then you just write PZ greater than or equal to A minus PZ less than negative 0.1. Okay, do you get me, guys? Boleh dapat?
Boleh.
Okay. Wait lah, guys. Ada orang silap buka mic. Okay. Alright. So now you can solve the equation already. Kamu boleh selesaikan persamaan. Okay. So you can use algebra also. So this one is something like this. Can you see, guys? This is the one I wrote just now. Tadi saya tulis yang ni. Okay. So
Sir,
yes.
tadi kan Sir tulis P bracket Z less than negative 0.1, right, tadi?
Yes.
Why is the symbol still negative 0.1? Why is it not already positive 0.1?
Oh, you can change to become positive. This one is just the initial step only. But if you want to skip that step and direct like this one, you change to PZ greater than 0.1 also can. No problem. This one over here can. If you can direct imagine, then you write this directly. If you cannot imagine, you write this step, the second step over here. Do you understand?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it's just matter of how you write your answer only. So anyway also can, as long your final answer correct. Okay, so if you solve and see, you should get 1.017. Okay, so you shift all the probability, this one, you put to the right hand side. Okay, bawa semua ke sebelah kanan. Okay, until you reach this format. Okay, so that you can read the table. Dapat nilai dari jadual kamu. Okay, are you all clear, guys? Soalan D, any problems? One or two? Satu atau dua? Come on, guys. Semangatlah sikit, guys. Kita kan nak dapat A plus and maths. Betul? Kena semangat. Okay, bila belajar and maths. Jangan lelap pula. Okay? Alright. So next one. Okay, let me see. I will discuss question F. Soalan E sama macam D saja. Exactly the same. Okay, guys. So if modulus, how are we going to do this? Okay, exactly same step again. So guys, in modulus, you can separate the modulus. So usually, yes, bukan dua kali Ahmad. Dua
Plus
kali untuk,
minus.
yes, plus minus. Dua kali hanya kalau simbol ketaksaman macam ni. Ingat yang tu, guys. If your inequality sign is like this, then only you write 2 times probability Z greater than or equal to A. Tapi kat sini, simbol dia ke sini. Okay, so tak boleh. Kita akan guna konsep julat. Range. Okay, kamu ada nilai di sebelah kiri dan kanan. Negative A dan A. Okay, so kamu boleh tukar something like this. Okay, kamu akan dapat macam ni sama dengan yang ni. Okay, clear, guys? So again, kamu guna konsep macam soalan di 1 minus probability Z lebih besar atau sama dengan A minus probability Z lebih kecil atau sama dengan negative A. Just like that only. Okay, then you will get the answer di. Okay, for soalan F. Okay, so for question F, like this. Okay, so over here, you can get the answer. I think over here they use different method, but same answer only. Kalau kamu buat yang tu tadi pun dapat jawapan sama. Alright, so your A value is 0.634. Okay, guys, are you clear? Soalan F, 1 or 2? Can you comment? 1, Okay. I trust your number 1 a lot. Okay, next one. Okay, so now we come to more of the exam type question. Soalan yang suka tak boleh a bit. N354, may I ask you, what is the probability of your confidence of number 1? Can you tell me how many percent? Since we studying probability now, you tell me, what is your probability of number 1? Bagi tahu saya kebarangkalian keyakinan kamu tulis nombor 1 tu kat saya. Hopefully it's 90% plus lah. Okay. Okay, so guys, you see this type of question? This is the type of question they like to ask in exam. Macam ni. 95%, okay, good. 95% means you're safe. Okay. So for this question, okay, normal, guys. Can anyone tell me, this parameter represent what? The first one, yang paling awal. What is that parameter?
Mean.
Very good. Remember, guys, mean. Okay, the first value in the bracket is always your mean. Okay, for normal. Second one, represent what? Yang kedua, simbol tu adalah?
Variance.
Yes. Okay, this one is variance. Okay, always variance. Okay, so guys, you must know how to convert from X score to Z score. Okay, so always remember guys, ini adalah formula dia. Wait. Okay, never mind. Z equal to X minus mean over standard deviation. Okay, that is the formula to convert X score to Z score. Okay, Z. Oh, never mind. Still like that. Never mind. Okay, guys. So that is the formula lah. Okay, so you can direct apply the formula into the step. Okay, so 51 minus 45 over standard deviation equal to 0.2888. Okay, guys. So now you see this one over here. Is it correct or not? Any problem with the inequality over there? Ada apa-apa masalah tak dengan simbol tu? Yes, tak ada. Ada apa-apa masalah kat sebelah kanan tak? Is there any problem?
Tak ada.
Okay, yes. Means that you can direct refer table. Okay, terus tengok jadual dan dapatkan nilai. Okay, so your graph will look something like this. Okay, kamu boleh bayangkan. Don't understand Which part? Can you tell me?
Sir, can you start from the start again?
Which one? This one,
For this
the solution.
question.
Oh, okay, okay.
I was lagging just now.
Oh, okay, never mind. I explain again. Okay, guys. This one they give you is X score. Am I right? So always in normal distribution, you must convert X score to Z score. Every single question like that. Kena tukar score X kepada score Z. Sebab jadual kamu hanya ada score Z. Tak ada score X dalam jadual. Okay? So you use this formula. Z equal to X minus mean over standard deviation. Okay? So 51, X value 51. So 51 minus 45 over standard deviation. Okay? So now you can check the value lah. Symbol to the right, betul. Probability less than 0.5, correct. Okay, so you can direct refer the table. Lihat nilai ni dalam jadual dan tukar kepada score Z. Okay, convert probability to score Z based on your table. Okay, are you clear now, guys? So then just algebra to find your standard deviation.
Sir,
Okay, boleh dapat? Yes?
how do you get that first one? P in bracket the X minus mean over standard deviation. That part I don't get.
Oh, that's the formula. They're just writing out this formula to you. This one over here.
Oh,
Okay, you no need to write out in exam. Exam you direct go to this part. This one over here. Green color. Sorry, blue color. You write that directly. This one no need. Okay? Yang tu dia terangkan saja kat kamu. Okay? So 10.77. And then another thing guys, always make sure your standard deviation, CCM PY kamu selalu positif. Okay, standard deviation no matter what, it must be a positive value. Tak boleh negatif. So kalau kamu kira betul-betul dan tiba-tiba lihat CCM PY kamu negatif, means that got some problem lah. If you get standard deviation negative, means that on top here you're working wrong already. Salah. So kamu kena check balik. Okay? Make sure kamu peka tentang semua yang tu. Kalau sini dapat negatif, so definitely 100% working kamu salah. Okay? So yeah. Okay, next one. Can continue? Sangat senyap pula sekarang. Can Okay, continue fighting. Okay, we try some more question. Okay, so they tell you X is normally distributed, mean, and variance. Okay, so again, same type of question. They give you the information, they ask you to find mean. Okay, so again, you can use the same formula. Okay, like what I show you just now. Okay, so this part over here, as I say, no need to write. Tak perlu tulis yang ni. So you direct use Z equal to X minus mean over standard deviation. Okay, guys. So now you check and see this equation over here. Any problem or not with the equation? Ada apa-apa masalah tak bagi persamaan ni?
The value on the right is larger
Yes.
than 0.5.
Very good. Okay, so means that you're going to use 1 minus. Okay, satu tolak. Probability Z, tukar simbol. Okay, I think over here they make mistake. No need to put negative here. Okay, when you tukar simbol 1 minus, bila kamu guna satu tolak, tukar simbol saja. Tak perlu tambah negatif. Okay, so the P symbol is gone if the answer is from table, right? You mean this one? This P?
Wait, sir, I thought you said if the symbol changes, then it also changes from positive to negative.
That one is only if you don't use 1 minus method. Example, you get something like this. Probability Z greater than negative 1.1. Okay, let's say, and you want to change from negative to positive. So you write something like this. Z less than 1.1. Can you see it? We never
Okay.
use 1 minus. So when you use 1 minus, you just change the symbol itself, the inequality symbol, simbol ketaksamaan. Tak perlu tukar positif negatif. Okay? So this is the concept. Oh, so
The
the P
variance must be in square root, is it, sir?
square root because they give you variance, guys. Be careful when you read the question. Soalan bagi variance. Okay, so you must square root answer to find standard deviation. Okay, can you see, guys? Variance 12. So standard deviation is square root 12. Okay, clear? So for Amira, P symbol is gone if the answer is on table. Yes. Amira, kat sini. Can you see this? Hilang, symbol P2 hilang dah. Okay, your P symbol already gone. Who opened the mic? Oh, Nilia. Wait,
Oh,
I mute.
sorry.
Never mind, it's okay. Okay, so yeah, this will be your answer. Okay, so guys, you see this equation over here. Everything is, sorry, your symbol is wrong. Okay, so you can actually switch the symbol one. Okay, over here, you can actually switch the symbol. The question, the textbook never show you the part where they switch the symbol. They direct skip the step and then go to the answer. Okay, but you can actually write an extra step. Tulis satu lagi langkah. Okay, to get your answer. Okay, means that you just switch to positive. This one. Okay, then you just read the table. Baca jadwal saja. Okay, are you all clear, guys? Can get it? No problem, right? Okay, next one. Still got 10 more minutes. We continue. I think most likely we are going to continue to next week also, this topic, because it's very, very long. Okay, so we come to the exercises. Okay, this one I will start choosing question already lah. Saya akan pilih soalan dah, because concept all I explained already. Okay, so for question 1, it's an application question. So they ask you to represent the probability between 280 and 375. Okay, guys, whenever they say between, the antara, what is the symbol we use, guys, for something in between? Anyone? Apa simbol ketaksamaan? Or what is the format of your answer?
Less.
Yes, very good. Less. X, A, B. Okay, you fill in the value. Okay, 280 and 375, right, guys? Can I ask you, is it your X score or Z score? Which one?
X.
Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, so you all understand lah. Usually Z score will be a very small value. Okay, score Z kena nilai yang sangat kecil. Lebih kecil dari 5 selalunya. Okay, so when you see a very big value like that, confirm is your X score 1. Okay, score X. Alright, so you just need to convert to score Z. Okay, so you follow the question. Standard deviation 45, sisian piawai 45, and the mean is 350. So you just use your formula. Okay, X minus mean over standard deviation. So you will get the answer like this. Okay, you no need to find the value because the question asks you to represent the probability. Wakilkan kebarangkalian. So kamu henti kat situ. Alright, boleh faham, guys? Soalan 1, very clear on it. This is the basic lah. Question number 1. Okay, guys, from question 2, I will start to choose already. Okay, so what question you want me to discuss? Soalan 2. Antara A, B,
The
C, D.
hardest question.
Yes. So which one is the hardest for you all? Yang mana kamu rasa paling susah? Okay, B. B, C. Okay, B, C sama saja. Pilih satu. Okay, so saya bincang B lah. Okay, format dia sama. Okay, so for question B, same type. okay, you're going to use the concept of 1 minus, okay, because you have a certain region. Okay, so for question 2B, they never show you, never mind. Okay, so you can imagine the graph. Okay, kamu boleh bayangkan graph dia lah. Okay, contoh like this. Okay, so something like this, negative 2.1 and also 1.2. So your shaded region is somewhere around here. Okay, something like this. Okay, kat sini. Okay, guys, this is your shaded region, kawasan berlorek. So you're going to take the whole total probability 1 minus the one to the right minus the one to the left. Do you see the concept, guys? So 1 minus PZ greater than 1.2 minus PZ less than negative 2.1. Okay, so for PZ less than negative 2.1, you must change. Okay, kamu kena tukar simbol. Okay, kena selalunya ke arah kanan. So tukar simbol, negatif jadi positif. Okay, that's all. Then kamu rujuk jadual untuk semua nilai. Okay guys, then you will get the answer of 0.8671. Okay, are you clear guys? Soalan 2B.
So can you repeat, please?
Yes.
Repeat Wait let me, which part? Which part you want me to repeat?
The one you were explaining after we do the graph.
Oh, okay. So this region is probability Z less than negative 2.1. Am I right? Okay, so you cannot find the probability for this because score Z negative. Okay, so always ensure your score Z is positive. Okay, so for score Z positive, you must switch the sign. Less than become greater than. So when you switch the sign, negative become positive. So you get greater than 2.1. Are you clear? Then you refer the table for the value of probability.
Then we minus 1, right?
1 minus. You cannot minus 1.
Yeah lah.
Yes. Okay, correct. Yes. Can guys? For
So
question B?
we have to do after we get the probability, we do the 1 minus the whatever the probability is.
Yes, correct. Always start with 1 minus because all the other value are definitely lesser than 1. Okay, all these value guys in your probability is lesser than 1. This one, because all of them add up to 1. Hasil tambah semua bahagian-bahagian kecil ni jadi 1. Jadi setiap bahagian kena kurang dari 1. Okay, secara logik lah. Okay, so yeah. Okay, next one. Okay, we try one more question lah. Okay, question number 4. Okay, kamu nak saya bincang mana? A atau B? This one also very similar. A ya. Okay. So, okay. So what mistake you have here guys? Apa kesilapan soalan?
The symbol and the value.
Very good. Okay, so you must change the value. Yeah, simbol dan juga nilai. So nilai macam mana tukar? Okay, just 1 minus lah. Okay, so 1 minus PZ greater than K equal to 0.6078. Okay, this is the equation. So then you find this one. Cari yang ni. Okay, so you will get, tekan calculator, you should get 0.3922. So PZ greater than K equal to 0.3922. Okay guys. So this one, nilai ni kamu boleh rujuk jadual dah. Refer your table to get the K value. Okay? Boleh dapat?
Boleh.
Senang kan guys? Very easy, right? You can see the same pattern repeating. So make sure SPM time, this one come out, you guys full mark. Cannot lose 1 mark also. Satu markah pun tak boleh hilang punya. Okay, because it's very standard one, the process. Sangat-sangat standard. Okay, berbanding bab lain kan, sebenarnya bab ni sangat straightforward tau guys, dalam SPM. Sangat straightforward. Sebab kamu hanya ada 2 taburan. 2 distribution only guys. Dan senang nak bezakan dua ni juga. Okay, so soalan dia takkan lari punya. Bab-bab lain soalan boleh lari. Dia boleh tanya kebat, yang ni, yang tu. Tapi bab ni susah nak tanya kebat. Sebab konsep dia macam tu saja. Dia tak boleh di luar yang tu. Okay? Tengok. Ada orang boleh dapat 10 per 10. 10 over 10. So, tak mustahil.
So this part I
Amira?
always lose my marks because the schema is very strict with how I write the bracket and the symbols semua.
Oh, I'm not sure whether the schema strict or your teacher strict. There is two things over
I
here.
think both lah. I got the right answer, so I don't got mark.
I think maybe your teacher strict lah. Depends, guys. Sometimes, right, guys, even at maths, your examiner also very important one. Kadang-kadang certain pemeriksa kan dia sangat strict dengan semua simbol ni. Walaupun jawapan betul, dia masih nak tolak markah. So, depend on your luck lah. Kalau kamu dapat pemeriksa yang strict, kamu kena make sure setiap langkah, all of the step that you write are 100% perfect. Okay? But to be honest, right?
Sure.
Yes.
If you like, I'm seeing the graph right now, and when we do we get the 0.3922, the nearest value I can see on the graph is 0.3936. So from 3936 to get 0.3922 is 0.0014, but on the graph is only until 15. There's no 14.
Don't have. Let me see. Wait, I go back to the table just now. Just now was 0.3922, right? The question. 0.3922. Okay, yes, 0.3936. You minus with 0.0012. You must take 1, 2. Guys, this is another information. When you see that there is no minus 0, when you see there is no 14, tak nampak 14 kan ke belah kanan. You take the 12. You must take the one higher than the actual probability. You cannot take 15 because when you minus 15, you already get 0.3921. Your question is 0.3922. So it cannot be lower. Selalunya nilai kebarangkalian kena sama dengan atau lebih tinggi dari nilai yang ada. Greater than or equal to the equation you have. Cannot be smaller. Take note, guys. Be careful. Okay? Can get it?
So I have to minus 0.0012.
Wait. Not minus, plus. Because now we are going probability to score Z. Am I right? Wait. Yes, probability to score Z. So must plus. Score Z to probability, you minus. Probability to score Z, you plus. Okay?
But at the end, how do you get that 0.274? Because if you see if like to get the 4, you have to go to 15, right?
Yes. Hey, wait. Oh, wait. Let me see. 0.274. Actually, right, guys. To be honest, I think 0.273 also correct. Only 0.001 difference, guys. I think they will still mark you correct one. As long as it's 3 or 4 at the last digit, I think should be okay one. They won't be so strict until like that. As long as you get 0.27 correct, you are safe already. Okay?
Okay, so
You must get
must use one smaller than not the bigger one, right?
To be honest, I feel it should be the bigger one lah. It shouldn't be 15. Because if you minus 15, right guys, kamu tolak 15, kamu dapat kamu dapat 3921. Betul? Tapi soalan 3922. So kamu dah dapat nilai yang salah dah, lebih kurang dari apa yang sepatutnya. Kalau lebih tak apa, tapi kalau kurang dia dah salah. Okay? So I feel that 12 should be a better answer lah. Okay? So yeah, this is the debate actually, but I think marking scheme shouldn't be that strict. Skema pemakan takkan sangat strict sampai macam tu. Okay? Are you all clear, guys? So either the last decimal place 3 or 4 is okay one. Okay, no problem. You can write both. But don't write two answer, guys. Jangan tulis dua jawapan. Kamu pilih satu saja. Either 273 or 274. Don't write both. Okay? Boleh dapat? So the answer is like this. 1 or 2, guys. Can you comment? 1 or 2. Banyak orang masih tinggal tahu. Harap semua masih hidup. 1 1 means you still alive. Kalau tak ada nombor maksudnya kamu dah mati depan komputer. Selepas dengar apa yang saya ajar. Okay, very good. Okay. Let me see. Okay, guys, we discussed this last question lah for today, number 5. Okay, soalan B is the exact same type, so you can refer. Okay, guys. So for question question 5, they ask you to find the standard deviation. Cari sisi ampere Y. Okay, so first step, what must you do here, guys? Kena buat apa? Tadi baru kita bincang yang ni.
1
Not yet, not
minus.
yet. Oh, okay. But
Tukar
before that,
simbol.
before, see your this thing, X. So, kena tukar kepada? Yes. Score Z, guys.
Z-score.
Yes. Always X tukar kepada Z score first. Then only kamu tengok peraturan dia. Okay, selalu macam ni. Alright. So that kamu lebih senang lah nak tengok. Okay, so 16.2 minus 15 divided by standard deviation. Okay, so itu adalah cara penukaran dia. So you will get something like this. Okay. Wait, let me find. Where is the answer? Oh, think jawapan lari dah. Okay, so it's over here. Okay, so it's something like this. All right. So when you see the symbol over here, okay, you can use 1 minus because you see that less than. Okay, lebih kurang. Okay, guys, lihat kat sini ya. Tadi saya terangkan, right? Bila kamu guna satu tolak, kamu tukar simbol ketaksamaan saja. Tengok, guys. Adakah kamu nampak dia tambah negatif 1.2 bahagi sigma? Tak ada kan? They never add negative 1.2 over sigma. They just maintain only. They just switch the symbol only. From less than, become greater than. Where got 15? 15 is the mean. Intan, diberi dalam soalan. 15 adalah mean. Bila dah selesaikan yang tu, boleh tengok table dan buat. Yes, boleh. Kat sini, guys. Over here. This is where you refer table. Okay? When you get all the condition, bila kamu dah dapat semua peraturan dah patuhi, okay, simbol ketaksamaan ke kanan, probability less than 0.5, score Z positive, refer table. Okay, kat situ. Okay, then kamu cari score Z untuk kebarangkalian yang ni. Okay, refer the table. Okay, guys, are you clear? So answer is 1.657. Okay, biasanya standard deviation 4 SF. Okay, 4 angka bererti ataupun 4 tempat perpuluhan, 4 decimal place. Okay, contoh kalau 0.7853. Kalau nombor kat depan kosong, bagi 4 decimal place, 4 titik perpuluhan untuk sisian piawai, standard deviation. But if your standard deviation start with 2, okay, so 2.583, you just give 3 decimal place enough. Okay, so overall 4 significant figure lah guys. Dua-dua jawapan pun 4 angka bererti selalunya. Okay, are you clear guys? Question number 5.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so I think this all lah for today's lesson. I think this is for today's lesson. So 1 or 2 guys, do you all understand everything that I tell in today's lesson?
Yes.
The rest of the question
Yes.
will continue next week. Good, can understand, hopefully lah. It's a very short lesson, but hopefully you understand better lah on this normal distribution. If still confused, don't worry, got second lesson coming also next week. Okay, you can learn back more concept and more type of question. Okay, so and then one more thing I want to tell you guys. Tomorrow we will have the extra class on the SPM paper. Okay, so you guys, if free, make sure to join. Okay, kita buat soalan sebenar SPM untuk mathematics and also admaths. Okay, so tomorrow I think is let me think and see. I think admaths, kalau tak silap. Yes, admaths I think. Paper 1, SPM 2021. We will discuss the whole paper together. Okay, replay ada. Okay, and then modern maths on Sunday. We will discuss SPM 2022. Okay, paper 1 and also paper 2 section C. Okay, so hopefully kamu semua boleh join lah. Bila? Kelas setakat ni pukul 4 lah. Okay, until now is 4 PM we start for tomorrow. Kalau ada apa-apa perubahan, then I will inform you all. 4 PM. Jam 4. Okay? Sebab malam saya tak maulah. Sebab weekend, right? Kamu semua nak keluarkan malam. So that's why I put it on the evening lah. Okay, so that malam tak kacau kamu semua. Okay? So are you clear guys? Yeah, see you tomorrow. get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow important discussion. Sebab SPM paper memang kena buat kalau nak bagus. Admaths and maths. Try out the paper. Kalau boleh cuba dulu soalan dia. 2021 untuk Admaths dan Modern Maths 2022. Okay? Okay, tak apa. No worries. Untuk yang tak dapat join, tengok recording saja. Alright? Okay, so thank you everyone. Hopefully you enjoy the lesson today. Walaupun mungkin kamu rasa tak sangat menarik, tapi harap faham lah. As long as you understand, that's the most important thing. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much. Today,
Thank you, sir.
oh, bagus lah. Bagus, senang faham.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Eileen. Thank you. Wah, at the end baru semua orang ada bunyi. Sebelum tu tak ada. Hanya satu orang saja ada bunyi. Wah, Alex, you still left here, huh? Not bad. Hey, wait. Joy Vos. Who is that, huh? That's why it looks so familiar to me. Yo, I'm not going to do this again tonight. Please, not tonight. Tonight we talk something else. So how, Oh, no wonder I thought like, how come different person join?